In this video, I'm going to go through an example in your textbook for exercise 5C, and this exercise is all about equivalent expressions. So with equivalent expressions, they're talking about expressions. So these things here, they're expressions because they don't have an equal sign. They're talking about expressions that are equivalent. Equivalent means the same, so they're equal. So a way to find out whether or not an expression is equivalent is to create a table. So with this question here, this is question 3 on page 263. It's got a table here. It's got the two expressions that you need to find out whether or not they're equivalent. So 6x plus 5, that's here. And 4x plus 5 plus 2x, that's here. Then on the left-hand side, it's got a series of x values. And what you need to do is, with these x values, you need to input them into your expression, okay? And if all of the answers, after you substitute them, are equal, then we say that the expression is equivalent. So let's find out whether or not they're equivalent. So I'm firstly going to work out my answers for this expression here. So I'm going to just do my working out down here. So this is my expression, 6x plus 5. Now, when x equals 1, I have this. 6 times 1 plus 5. 6 times 1 is 6. When I add 5, that becomes 11. So my first answer I just put up here, 11. Let's do for the same expression when x equals 2. 6 times 2 plus 5. 6 times 2 is 12. When I add 5, I get 13. No, sorry. When I add 5, I get 18. What have I done? Sorry, everyone. 17. Okay. All right, next one. When x equals 3. Six times 3 plus 5. 6 times 3 is 18. When I plus 5, I'm going to get 23. I'm going to put 23 up here. I should have also put when x equals 2, my answer is 17. So that's why that's going there. The last one, so when x equals 4. 6 times 4 plus 5. 6 times 4, 24 plus 5 equals 29. So 29, we put that up here. Now we're going to do the exact same with our other expression. And if we get the answers, all here, that are equivalent to the answers we've just worked out, then we say that our expression is equivalent. So let's go ahead and see if we get the same answers. So for when x equals 1, 4 times 1 plus 5 plus 2 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 5 plus 2. And then my answer is going to be 11. Okay, I'll put that up there already. So that's the same. Okay. For when x is 2, 4 times 2 plus 5 plus 2 times 2. I've got 8 plus 5 plus 4. What I get when I add them all together is 17. Okay, so I'll put 17 up here. All right, we're looking at the moment we are equivalent for when x is 3. All right, 4 times 3 plus 5 plus 2 times 3. 12 plus 5 plus 6. And we add them all together, 18, we get 23. Let's do our last one, or we'll just for when x equals 4. 4 times 4 plus 5 plus 2 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 5 plus 8. When we add them all together, we get 29. Okay, I'm going to put that in. What you might notice here is that when x is 1 and it's substituted into our expression, we get 11 for both answers. When we substitute in 2, we get 17. When we substitute in 3, we get 23. When we substitute in 4, we get 29. So this means this expression here and this expression here are equivalent.